Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. Welcome back to our channel, The Narratory. Let's continue. Tamas Gyan. Dr. Vikram was considered one of the finest physicians in the city. His diagnosis was sharp, his memory for symptoms was almost inhuman, and his hands were sturdy in surgery. Colleagues admired him, patients feared him a little, not because he was cruel, but because he was completely, perfectly cold. To Vikram, every person who came through his door was a collection of systems. A liver, set of lungs, malfunctioning heart valve. He would study their reports the way a mechanic studies an engine, efficiently without sentiment. He genuinely believed this was the correct way to practice medicine. Emotion, he says, clouds judgment. One winter, an old woman named Kamla was brought in. She was 74, poor and frightened. Her son had left her at the reception and gone to park the vehicle. She sat alone on the cold hospital chair, clenching her dupatta together, looking at the floor. Vikram walked past 3 times without looking at her face. On the fourth pass, a nurse quietly said, "Doctor, she has been waiting 2 hours and is very scared." "Her fear is not a medical condition. When her reports arrive, send her in," said the doctor. He treated her correctly that day. The diagnosis was accurate. The medicine was right. Kamla went home and recovered fully. But she told her son on the way home, "He fixed my body. He never once saw me." And she was not wrong. To Vikram, Kamla was a case file with the name at the top. The soul sitting inside that frightened old woman, the decades of life, the sorrows carried, the quiet dignity, none of it existed in his world. Because in his world, body and soul were the same thing. And the body was repaired, the job was done. What else could there possibly be? He retired at 60, having treated thousands of patients. At his farewell, nobody cried. He noticed only on the way back home, then put it out of his mind. That knowledge by which one sees one single effect as if it were everything, without reason, without foundation in truth, that is declared to be in the mode of darkness. Shloka 22.